Welcome to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be about cooking a venison hamburger in a cast iron skillet. Let's go ahead and get started. For this cook, I'll be using venison, ground venison. You can use 80-20 hamburger or whatever you like. Mushrooms, lettuce, I'll be using romaine, that's my favorite. Onion, whatever your favorite cheese is. Again, I'll be using Colby Jack. Some type of grease. I like to use bacon grease for my burgers, but you can use vegetable, cooking oil, olive oil, whatever your favorite is with that. Black pepper, however you season your hamburgers. I like Montreal steak. And whatever you want to put on top of your burger. Mustard, ketchup, blue cheese. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and get our patty formed up. Again, this is venison. I do a beef add with my venison. That should be about the right size. So this is probably about 2% beef add. I like a great big meaty burger. Go ahead and coat the outside. The burger. Key is getting these skillets good and warm before we start to do our cooking. I like to go ahead and throw that bacon grease in and get these skillets smoking. Probably what's going to take the longest will actually be this onion. I'm going to go ahead and set that onion in. Skillet's good and smoking now. Then put our burger in. Probably about 3 minutes for each side. To touch on the thick side. Now we'll go ahead and do the flip. Spread some more of that grease back around in the skillet. Give that a look on the other side. Now we'll go ahead and pull that burger off and let it rest for 4 or 5 minutes. While it's resting, we'll go ahead and layer it up with the cheese. Now we'll go ahead and let that rest. Doesn't get much better looking than that. I'll take that for sure. There it is. Now again, you can use whatever topping you like. My topping of choice is blue cheese. I'll throw a big old dollop of blue cheese on there with a little bit of that sugar-free ketchup on the side. And that is my preferred way of eating skillet fried venison hamburger. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. There will be more videos in the future. Cook. I'll show you the ingredients, then we'll roll right into the cook. I'll show you the ingredients, and then we'll go right into the... Welcome to Teach a Man to Fish channel.